Hey, get the hell out of here! Oh, it's you. My bad, man. Sorry, man. These missing reports coming out and these creeps going around. Gotta stay safe. My bad, my bad. I'm gonna go now.
Can I get $1? Just $1, man. I know you're bullshitting me. Whatever. And be careful out here. A lot of creeps and weirdos. People going missing. Don't want to become one of them.
I have a boyfriend. I'm gonna tell my boyfriend that you were hitting on me.
Hey kid, made it right on time. Proud of you. That's what I like to hear. Just make sure to keep it all clean. Matter of fact, I'll let you know with the list of tasks by the TV. Be sure to check it out. Good, good. Simple stuff, I promise. Don't want to overwork you. Oh, and a lot of kids come around here too. They can be a nuisance, so look out. Good luck. If anything happens, call me.
You're rescue chair. Today you're watching the Big News, the biggest news outlet in the city, no cap. Today we'll be talking about some local happenings as well as today's weather report. I have been informed by management that I should speak in a more relatable manner to increase engagement with the audience and find more W's. So I've been doing more research. I've watched several TikToks and now I understand everything. Anyway, chap, first off, apparently some people have been reporting missing people around the block or some shit. I don't really know, but it's mostly young kids like y'all. Authorities are advising everybody to stay indoors, travel in groups, and generally not throw your life away for content. Personally, I think the whole thing is kind of new, low-key giving the fake news vibes, but that's just me. The police are apparently taking it very seriously, so maybe don't listen to my take, because it could age poorly. Witnesses claim people have just been disappearing with absolutely zero explanation, which is honestly pretty sus. Not gonna lie, Chad, this situation is not giving good vibes. If you're out walking around at night, keep your head on a swivel. Maintain maximum aura. Do not get caught lacking. Getting kidnapped is objectively a massive L and will negatively impact your motion. Now onto the weather report. It's looking pretty good today. 72 temperatures and only a small chance of rain in the evening. Mother Nature really said, rain cool. With this forecast, later tonight, we may see some clouds rolling, which is kind of cringy, but overall, the weather is serving. Very few complaints. Anyway, Jack, stay safe, stay hydrated, protect your aura, keep the vibes immaculate, and remember, if you see something suspicious, call the authorities instead of making a cryptic TikTok edit with funk. Good night.
Can I get a bag of chips and a green soda?
Give me a donut and a bottle of Coke. Yep, weather sucks right now, and I hate being out late, especially with all these things going around in town. Aren't you new here? Well, you ought to be careful. There's a lot of weirdos around.
Boo! Pussy. I don't have money. Bye.
Oh, this is a fine old place. Knew Jim well back in the day. Hard-working man. Kids are annoying these days, ain't they? They won't bother you for much longer. Have a nice night. For all you know, it could be your last.
Excuse me, so sorry to bother you. Have you seen a little boy around here about 10 years old? My son, he's been gone a few hours. He said he was going out with friends, but he should have been home by now. He was out this late? God, do you remember which way he went? Okay, I need to call the police. Thank you, really, thank you.
Hey, we get reports about some noises and smells from this apartment. Mind if we look around?
I'll look. Look, man, we don't have time for this shit. Just need to take a quick look to make sure nothing's going on. We have to be extra cautious these days. People are losing their kids, family members. I'll be quick.
I'm sure you're fine and all. As he said, we take every report extra serious now. I mean, I'm sure you heard and you understand. It's been all over the